Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete account in Quora. Very easy. What you do is first make sure you're actually logged in, okay? This cannot be done from any form. You come log in and go to your profile icon in the top right. Go ahead and click on that. And then I want you to go ahead and click on settings right here. From the drop down menu, click on settings. Now when this loads up, here on the left-hand panel, I want you to go ahead and click on the Privacy tab, and then scroll all the way down here. The last option is Delete Account. Go ahead and click on this. Now, for security purposes, they're going to ask you to enter your password again to go ahead and continue. So I'll enter my password, and then you click on Done. Okay, just click on Done, and then we can close this. Now, we can go ahead and click on delete once we get this prompt. And let me explain to you what happens. So Quora basically gives you, as you can see, account deletion request successfully submitted. And now they log you out. What happens basically is, so Quora will give you a 14-day grace period to change your mind. So do not log in during this time or the deletion will be canceled. So don't log in. As long as you do not log in for 14 days, your account will be permanently deleted. And it's really that easy and simple.